Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what many consider the best carbon monoxide detector with a digital display. The First Alert CO710 Carbon Monoxide Detector. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting, and easy-to-use CO detector for your home, this one might be exactly what you need. Let's dive in. Imagine a scenario where your power goes out, but your safety doesn't. That's where the CO710 shines. This battery-operated carbon monoxide detector from First Alert features a built-in 10-year lithium battery, meaning it provides continuous protection without ever needing a battery replacement. That's an entire decade of peace of mind. Now, what truly sets the CO710 apart from the competition is the digital display. It's backlit, easy to read, and it doesn't just tell you CO levels. It also shows real-time temperature in your room. This dual functionality makes it more than just a detector. It becomes part of your everyday living environment, offering both safety and convenience. The unit uses an electrochemical sensor, which is the most accurate technology available for detecting carbon monoxide. And if levels rise to dangerous limits, you'll be alerted with a loud 85 decibel alarm. It's piercing enough to wake you up in the middle of the night, which is exactly what you want in a life-threatening situation. Another smart feature is the peak level function. This lets you see the highest concentration of CO that's been detected, even if you weren't home when it happened. That's a critical detail for understanding ongoing risks in your environment. The CO710 is also compact and modern in design. It's only 0.9 inches deep, 4.8 inches wide, and 2.6 inches high. So it's sleek enough to blend into your space, whether it's the bedroom, hallway, or kitchen. Setup is incredibly simple. It's ready to go out of the box. No wiring, no installation headaches. Just place it or mount it where you need it, and you're protected. And when the unit reaches the end of its 10-year life, it emits a clear end-of-life signal chirp, so you know when it's time to replace it. Let's talk about trust. First Alert has been a household name in safety since 1958. That's over 6 decades of innovation and reliability. And of course, all their CO alarms are rigorously tested to meet all standards, ensuring you're getting a device that meets industry benchmarks for quality and performance. And here's something you don't always see. The CO710 comes with a 10-year limited warranty. That means First Alert stands behind their product for the full lifespan of the device, as long as you have your proof of purchase. If you're living in a location with unpredictable power or you just want a worry-free solution to carbon monoxide detection, the First Alert CO710 is one of the best investments you can make. No cords, no battery swaps, just constant protection with a clear digital display. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical reviews of products that matter to your life. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.